Hello again, welcome back. I've been away for a while, been busy. Nice to see you again. I've got lots and lots of questions, and let's have a look at the first one. It is, every year I do the same thing, make loads of New Year resolutions, but within a week I've broken all of them. What can I do? Well, actually, perfect timing. It's the 11th of January 2021, and by now 82% of people will have completely broken all the New Year resolutions they made. Let's have a look. There's a big clue in your question, which says every year I make a load of New Year resolutions. Well, don't. You can't. I know what it's like. You've eaten too much over Christmas. You've drunk too much. You're too heavy. Determined to do something about all these things, and then you say, right, I'm going to get up every morning and I'm going to drink more water and I'm going to take more exercise and I'm going to cut out the booze and do dry January and I'm going to go on a diet, and you wait, I'm just going to show everyone I can do it. And by usually within 5 to 10 days you've broken all of it, and you swore blind you would never have another donut. And what's happened is that you've sat there eating a plate of donuts, and that just confirms your absolute uselessness as a human being, doesn't it? Well, let's steady on. Let's get a grip on this. You also said that you keep doing it every year. Well, the definition of madness is to keep doing the same thing, even if it doesn't work. So my best recommendation is this: some simple things, but change one thing, and remember that what you are doing is you are starting on a journey of change. And once your mind gets used to, and it's a primitive bit of your mind, gets used to the idea that you can make changes and still survive, it will be much easier for you to stick to the decision that you made. But of course, the simple thing comes back to motivation, doesn't it? If you knew that if you just ate one more donut, you would die 5 minutes later, you'd never eat a donut. But of course, it's easy to just do something about it tomorrow. One of the things that goes wrong with motivation is that we don't top it up often enough. And what we need to do is just keep making a little list every day, write it down, of why it is you're doing this, what the benefit is going to be. Next thing is, it's no good standing in front of a mirror telling yourself that you're really wonderful and imagining what it's going to be like once you've lost all the weight that you want, or you've given up booze, or whatever it is. What we need to do is rehearse the new behavior. We all get good at whatever it is that we rehearse, and so if we can just sit quietly somewhere, calm the brain, and calm your mind and calm your body, and just get used to the idea by rehearsing something new. Every time you come to that plate of donuts, you say, no thank you, I don't eat donuts. No thank you, I don't eat donuts. Just keep doing it and doing it and doing it until it's second nature. You can do it without even thinking about it. So really, just to sum up, you're breaking it down into bite-sized chunks, things that you can deal with easily, and at the same time you are not trying to change everything. We can't get into black and white thinking with this. Just change one thing and do it gradually. Set yourself free to make mistakes and get it wrong. And every time you do fall off the wagon, or whatever it is that goes wrong, just back up. Just get to that fork in the road again. You could have gone that way, or you could have gone that way. You went that way, it turned out not to be a good idea. So just back up and take stock of how you got there. What was it? Were you feeling stressed? Did everything seem to be just going wrong in your life, and so you thought you'd take that shortcut to feeling better? One more thing. If you found this the least bit interesting, please like, subscribe, and share it with everybody, and take excellent care of each other, and take good care of yourself.